In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pip Collector Indicator in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Pip Collector Indicator added to your charts and ready to use, without any confusion or guesswork. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't really matter which market you're looking at, you just need an active chart window on your screen. Once that's open, look toward the top of the chart for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies and sits above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can search for and add any tool or script to your TradingView workspace. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the very top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click on the search field so your cursor is active inside it. Now, type Pip Collector into the search bar, just like that, with normal spacing. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter results below. Give it a second to load, then look through the list for the Pip Collector Indicator. When you see it appear, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually as an overlay or a separate panel, depending on how it's built. After the indicator appears on your chart, it's a good idea to adjust the settings so it fits your personal style and strategy. To do that, hover over the name of the indicator on your chart or in the data window at the top and look for the small settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here you can tweak inputs such as sensitivities, colors, line styles, or visibility. Take a moment to explore these options so the indicator is clear and easy for you to read. You can always come back and change these settings later as you get more comfortable. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators, additional alerts, and extra chart layouts, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be working with the same type of setup I'm using in this tutorial, which makes it much easier to follow along and duplicate these steps on your own charts.